Hello. In this vlog I was going to show you how I've connected the water up. It's another thing off of my list. It's all up and running. I've tried it. I thought I'd share it with you so you can see. Don't forget, you can like, subscribe if it's helpful. Always good to see. And leave me some comments. Well, I'll get on and show you what I've done this week. Well, I finally got this water tank in the right spot. I've just connected it up. I'm waiting for a Jubilee clip to go on there, but I haven't got that yet. I've connected these up. That's obviously, that's an overflow with a one-way valve in it that it can only go out and not in. Got down the bottom here, the connection's out. Tap on it in case I need to shut it off. I've just put some water in it, started it off. Got a little bit in the bottom there, as you can see. Only got a little bit just to try it out. Just want to give it a go first. I've just delivered the water filter, which I've now just got to fit. That will go down on this wall here, somewhere down there, just in between the hose. I've left plenty of slack there just to cut it and screw that on. Then I can try the water out. I've put the water pump down the bottom here. I've just got to connect the electricity up to it, then that's all done. Well, I've got the Jubilee clip on, so the filler pipe is now finished, and now I'm just fitting a water filter on this back wall, which will be under the bed. It's got a replaceable cartridge, what you just put on there and screw on. A bit tricky one-handed, but you get the idea. That screws onto there. You just screw that up tight. You replace this about once a year is the idea. So now I've just got to cut this pipe, obviously what comes out of here, connect that onto that side, and then connect it to go through to the sink. Ideally this would have been a bit closer to the actual tap, which is right over that end, but this is the most suitable spot. As I say, it's better if you do it after the pump, but that just doesn't really work for me after the pump, and I don't think it's going to make that much difference. I've only got another 3 meters of pipe, I suppose, but it is what it is. That's the best place I can put it for access, changing filters, so I'm leaving it there. And I've just gone, obviously, a long pipe goes through there under all the cupboards and goes up to the sink. I'll connect the filter and show you some more in a minute. I don't think you can see that too well, but that's the actual water pump connected up. These cables here for the electric, you see the tape around them, but underneath that they're actually crimped together, and they've got the heat shrink wraps, and I've just put tape over the top of it as well, so that's fine. Well, it's all in. I've connected the water filter up. I've opened the little valve at the bottom there again. Let's go and try it. I've just turned the pump on. I can hear the pump going, but it sounds like it's got an airlock. A bit of air in there, but guessing that's because it's had to run through the filter. Doing a lot of shaking at the minute. But seems to all be working okay. It's just got air in it. Got to try and get out. I think we'll be alright once we get the air out. Because there's quite a fair size that thing to get all the air out. You can hear that it's pumping the air out. So I'll let that run for a little bit, see if we can get the air out, and hopefully that is all gonna be up and running fine. I've tilted the tank slightly sideways at the minute with a block down there. I don't know if you can see it, just because there wasn't much water in it. I only had a little tiny bit in just to make sure my connections weren't leaking. But now I want to run the tap, obviously. But a bit lazy to get the hose out and fill it. But it seems to be working okay. Still a little bit of air, but at least the pump's shutting off straight away, so there can't be too much. That's about it for this week. Don't forget, you can like and subscribe. Maybe leave me a comment. I'll speak to you next week maybe.